Ask me the following question.
Sure. What small changes at home
Continue.
would cut a person's carbon footprint?
We can turn off lights, fans, and electronic devices when we do not use them. We can also save water, use less plastic, recycle, and waste less food. Walking or riding a bike instead of using a car can also help. These small changes can reduce pollution and protect the environment.
Nice answer. On to the next one. How do electric vehicles help the environment?
Electric vehicles use electricity instead of petrol or diesel. They produce less air pollution because they do not have exhaust smoke like normal cars. They can also reduce greenhouse gas, especially when the electricity comes from clean energy. However, making them batteries still use the energy and natural resource.
Good. Question 3. How could endangered animals be kept out of the illegal trade?
Governments should make strong laws against hunting and selling endangered animals. Police should stop people who catch or sell wild animals illegal. We should also protect forests and other places where animal live. People should learn about the problem and avoid buying products made from endangered animals.
Okay. Number 4. What do we gain by saving endangered species?
Saving endangered species help keep nature balanced and healthy. Animals have important roles in their ecosystem, such as spreading seed or controlling other animals. Some animals may also help scientists discover new medicines. Most importantly, we can we can stop their species from disappearing forever.
Nice. Question 5. Why does conserving wildlife matter so much?
Wildlife is an important part of nature. Animals help plants grow, spread seed, and keep the number of other animals under control. If many animals disappear, the natural balance can be damaged. Protecting wildlife also means protecting our environment and our future.
Good. Question 6. How do animals behave when they live together in groups?
Many animals live in groups because it helps them survive. They can work together to find food, protect each other, and take care of their babies. They can also use sound, movement, or smells to communicate. However, they may sometimes compete for food, space, or mate.
All right. Question 7. Is it right to edit genes in humans? And what could go wrong?
Gene editing can be useful because it may help treat some serious disease. However, it can also cause unexpected problems. Scientists might accidentally change the wrong gene or create effects that we do not understand yet. Therefore, gene editing in a human should be carefully controlled and used only when it is safe.
Right. Question 8. How does your country get ready for natural disasters?
Vietnam often prepares for storms, floods, and landslides. Weather service watch dangerous weather and give warning to people. The government can move people to safe places, prepare rescue teams, food, water, and medicines. People can also prepare emergencies, supplies, and learn how to stay safe.
Okay. Question 9. What happens to wildlife when forests are cut down?
When forests are cut down, animals lose their homes and food. Some animals have to move to other places. They may not, but they may not find enough food or safe areas. They can also have trouble finding mates. As a result, some animal population become smaller and some species may become endangered.
Last one. How is gene editing being used on animals and plants?
Scientists use gene editing to change certain genes in plants and animals. In plants, it can help make crops stronger and more resistant to disease. In animals, scientists use it to study disease and find ways to prevent them. Some of these you are still being tested to make sure they are safe.
All 10 answered. Thanks. I'll give feedback and a score out of 10 now. Overall, 8.8 out of 10. Strengths, clear, relevant ideas with good coverage, balanced points, and solid vocabulary. Areas to improve, grammar, especially subject-verb agreement, plurals, articles, and word forms. To reach point 9.5 or above, aim for correct singular plural forms, verb agreements, and word choices, and consider adding a bit more detail or concrete examples. Still, strong performance overall. Your ideas were clear and logical. With a bit more accuracy, you'll sound even more natural.